Yeah, good evening. The looping, which we have discussed as while loop and for loop that we have discussed yesterday. Today, I wish to discuss another loop that is if loop. Okay. Normally, we are using in our colloquial language itself, we are using if some condition, then the output. That way, we are using if in our colloquial language. In the programming, also we can use that if as a looping condition. Okay. Now, listen. I will explain the syntax for loop by using some examples. I hope the screen is visible. Is it okay, Shaidamis?
No, sir, it's not visible. Yeah, it's coming, it's coming.
Hello?
Hello, sir, am I
Not
audible?
visible?
No, it's coming. It's okay now.
Yeah, audible. Okay, 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 okay. So I will explain how we can use the if condition. If condition in the program. Listen, suppose I'm taking one variable a is equal to integer int input. Then enter a number. Then I'm putting one column also. Then here I have defined one variable and the value of the variable will be accepting from the keyboard at the time of execution. And I am using the conditional loop if a greater than 10, then colon, then with the indentation I'm giving print the output, the number is greater or the number is big, or simply the output is big. I'm simply writing big. And here we can write else. Suppose the number is not greater than 10. Then here also you have to put the colon. This for this if condition and for else also you have to use the colon. Then print small. Now here the thing we have to understand that along with this if after writing the condition you have to put the colon as that of a while loop and that as that of for loop. And here if you are using if loop you have to make you have to put the indentation there. Okay, that you have to put one space there for all things under the consideration of that if loop. Then if this does not, we are following this else condition. Then if it is else, we are giving one output that is just to print small. And suppose I am executing this program. Listen. Here, while executing the program, they enter the number. I am putting 29. Then you can see that the output is big. It is printed as big. Here our condition was if the number is greater than, we have to print big. Suppose I am executing that program once again. And suppose I am entering the number 6. Remember that 6 is a number less than 10. Then you can see that we got the output small. Okay, we got the output small. So this is the fundamental form of if else. If else. So if then that condition you have to write, then you can do something or you can do some work there, or you can do some output, some command for output there, and also if that condition does not hold, you can write else. So if sometimes we have more than one condition, at that time you can use elif also. Elif is the short form of else if. Else if. You can use any number of elif command. I will give some example. How we can use elif. Here I am using enter the mark. Enter the mark. Here A is taken as the mark. The value of that mark will be taken at the time of execution. If A greater than or equal to 50 or A greater than or equal to 90, then print grade is A plus. Okay, normally if we are getting more than 90%, we are using grade A plus. Then here look at this one. I have used a greater than or equal to. That command, that operator you can use greater than or equal to. Then I am writing elif. Then for elif, then you condition 80 less than a less than or equal to, sorry, 80 less than or equal to 80 less than or equal to a less than 90. Then suppose print grade A, then grade A. So here if suppose I am writing like this, simply failed. Okay. Now here there are three conditions. If the mark is greater than 90, then we will put the grade A plus. If the mark is in between 80 and 90, we will give the grade A. And if the mark is less than 80, we are defining that it's failed. Okay. So here there are three conditions. One condition is greater than or equal to 90 condition. For that one, you are using if, and the second condition is 80 less than or equal to a less than 90. That is the second condition. For that, we have used the if. And if suppose we are taking all the other as a single case, then you are using as a final state we are using else. Remember that for each terms if, elif, and else, we used this colon and we used the indentation. Okay. Now let us execute this program. Now here enter the mark. Suppose I am putting 92, then grade A plus. Then at that moment itself we got grade A plus. Then suppose I am executing it. Then here for enter the mark we are putting 87, 87. Then look at this one, grade A, grade A in between 80 and 90. 87. Suppose we are putting 80. 80. Then also we got grade A. Here we used 80 less than or equal to A. Okay, that's why whenever the mark is 80, then also the condition is satisfied. So the mark belongs to grade A. So it is printed as grade A. Then suppose I am putting 79, then you will get the output failed. Okay. Now you can use more than a leaf, more than one a leaf. You can use any number of a leaf. I am giving some example. Here I am writing a leaf, then 60 less than or equal to a less than 80. Then column print grade B grade B plus. Okay. Now here is one more condition. We have added one more condition. That condition is in between a leaf and else. So we are putting again one a leaf. Okay. So listen. Then suppose I am executing this program. Suppose I am putting the mark 79 as in the previous form. Now you can see that in the previous programming we got that mark as a failed category. But here we have changed or we have between a 60 and 80. We have defined the grade as B plus. Then you will get here the output is grade B plus. Okay. And suppose the mark is 59. Suppose the mark is 59, then you can see that the output is failed. Okay, so you can use any number of elif command in between if and else. Okay, each and every elif should be in between the if command and the else command. And one more thing you have to remember is that for each and every elif and if else must followed by a colon and indentation. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts? Do you have any? Do you need any more explanation for using this if loop? Is it clear?
If we put the command the mark is greater than
Yeah.
some mark is greater than 60 first. If you put the command mark is greater than
Mark is, yeah,
greater than 60 first and mark is greater than or equal to
greater than
90.
60.
60
Yes.
first.
Ah,
Then we give the command
60 first. Okay.
uh, after that,
Yeah.
can we put
Here we are putting greater than 60. Ah.
can we put the command
No,
the
no,
mark is
no, no.
greater than or equal to 90
That
after that?
will be shows as an error. Okay. Using the if elif command, there should be for each and every if or elif, the condition should be different. There should not be any merging conditions.
Okay,
If
okay,
there
okay.
exist any if there exist any merging conditions, the program will show error.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Then, good question. Good question. Any other? Any other question?
No, sir,
Okay.
you can proceed.
Uh, okay. 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 Then I'm using the another program which will explain how we can use the two looping conditions in a single program. For example, you can use while loop and if loop in a single program. Okay, I will show that one. Suppose I'm taking x is equal to 1 as the initial value, and I am writing while x less than 10, while x or x less than 11, whatever, no problem. Then here I am using if x sorry, 0 less than x less than or equal to less than or equal to 5, then colon, then print you can put comma, you can put is small, then again moving to next line. You can see one line there. Okay, that actually represents the indentation for this while loop. Okay, if you want, you can back to this end, but here this line shows for the indentation for that while loop. Okay, now I'm writing here else print x comma is big, x is big. Okay, then again putting x is equal to x plus 1. Here look at this one. Here all these things, all this part is under the consideration of this while loop. That's why we put the indentation for each line. Here you can see that there is one indentation. Okay, and here if loop is there, this print command is under the consideration of the first if loop. So we have put another indentation. So actually this gap is the indentation for this if loop, and
Hello,
in the
sir.
second so here before the prelation is for this else command. That is the under x is equal to 1. So for x will become 2. Then again will it come back to while loop. Then at that time the value of x will be 2. And again all this work will happen. Then the value of x will become in loop. And that process will continue up to this x less than. Yeah. Can you hear me? Hello. Hello.
Excuse me,
Any
sir.
problem?
സാർ ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് കട്ടായി പോകുന്നുണ്ട്.
Yes, sir. You're not
സാറ്
audible.
സംസാരിക്കുന്നത് ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് കട്ടായി പോകുന്നു.
Hello. Oh, heavy raining and thundering happened. That's why it's happened. Okay. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir. Now it's okay.
Is
Yes,
it
sir.
okay now?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So while considering this if here you can see one gap between the left that indentation is actually the indentation for this while loop, and before starting this print command there is a gap between this if statement started uh, point to this the first letter p. That is the indentation for this if loop, and similarly there is an indentation for this else loop also. Then here what happened is that initially the value of x is we have fixed that value of x as 1. Then the while loop will check the condition. Then we can see that 1 less than 11. So it will come under the consideration of this if loop. Then if that condition satisfies, then the output will print. If that condition does not satisfy, then that will print
Hello, sir.
next one. Next that will print as big. Then that will come to then again it will be under the consideration of the while loop. Then that cycle will continue, and finally the process will continue up to this condition is attained. Yeah. Hello.
Sir, hello.
Hello.
The screen is not visible,
Hello.
sir.
Screen is not visible.
No, your connection is losing sometime in between.
Yeah. Yeah. Just a minute.
Sir, if you don't mind, please leave the meet and then rejoin. Hello, sir.
Yeah, that's better.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh, now presentation is not visible. Sir, you are visible, but presentation not visible.
Okay. Okay. Let me check. Is it visible now?
No, sir. Sir, you do one thing. You please leave the meet.
Is it visible now?
No, sir. No, not visible. Sir, it is better to rejoin. Hello, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. I will.
Okay, sir. Hello, sir.
Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yeah, sir.
Shall I
Yes, you
finish?
are audible, sir.
Hello?
Hello, sir. You are both audible and visible,
Okay.
but screen is not coming.
Now we'll share.
Presentation
Yeah,
screen.
we'll share the screen.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah. It's sharing. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, Anna, sir.
Uh,
Hello, sir.
but the presentation screen is not open now. I don't know what is happening.
I think there is some network issue. Hello,
Hello?
sir.
Hello? Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, sir. He left. Hello, everyone. I think he has some problem, so let us wait. Hello, sir. Hi everyone. Sorry for the inconvenience. Actually, Anas sir couldn't able to connect again. He called me. There is heavy rain and bad climate. So let us stop here and we can continue tomorrow. Okay.
Excuse me, Shaida ma'am. The yesterday's class, there will be any, nothing will be recorded, I think.
1 second. Actually, I want to stop this recording. Then I will talk. Okay.
Okay.